Hey guys, so there is a new and easy way to make money basically doing nothing, just using your computer power. And here it is. It is called Tari. And here it actually says turn your computer into a money machine. And this is so easy, basically few clicks. Even grandma can do this. You can basically install this in few clicks and just start mining Tari. This is basically a brand new crypto project, and everyone right now is hyping about this project is because it is so simple. And here you can see 14,000 active miners, which is not a lot, which means that you are still early, because in crypto there are like hundreds of thousands of people, but right now we are in a summer. The Bitcoin is quite down. That's why this is a huge opportunity to be early and to be one of the first people to actually be mining. And the best part is that you can basically mine while this application goes in the background, while you are basically working, playing games, or scrolling internet. So really great. The first thing I want to emphasize that I am bullish on is that if you go on the founding rounds, basically who raised money for this project, here you can see Pantera Capital, Multicoin Capital. These are the most respected fundraising companies in crypto, similar to A16Z. I think Pantera Capital may be even bigger than them, which is insane for me. That's why I trust this project. This is not just some random crypto project. And here you can see the rewards of the token will go to miners, 70%, which is insane. What you have to do, really easy. Go on the website Tari, just press download. You will basically get three options. Basically options for Windows, for Linux, and here you can see Windows, Mac, and Linux. So basically you can download with few clicks, and then you will have this platform application where you will be able to start mining, and that's basically it. You will be basically earning tokens and basically making money just doing nothing. And the best part is that you don't even need a strong computer, strong PC. You can basically set your own power. For example, I just opened this application. That's why you see everything still loading and synchronizing. So if you have a weak computer, or you don't want to spend all the power of your computer for this application, you can basically customize this. And here you can see my Mac has 12 cores. Here you can see the GPU, what the graphics card, and basically you can set these customize as you want. So the more you push to this max level, the slower your computer will be. That's why, for example, if you go to sleep and you let your PC or computer open the whole night, you can basically set this to max, and you will be earning the max rewards with your computer speed. And here you can see all the data. The second thing I'm really bullish is, what I'm bullish about is that if you go on their socials, on their Twitter, here you can actually see I am following the biggest crypto accounts, and here you basically see they are followed by 139 of the people I'm following, which is a big number. So that's why this is a legit project. And if you scroll down here, you can see Virtual Bacon, one of the biggest in the crypto, 200,000 followers. And if you just keep scrolling down, you will see the biggest crypto people are actually following this project, supporting Frank the Gods, 400,000 followers. So just keep scrolling and you will see that this is a rice farmer again. So again, this is a legit project. And if you go on their website, you scroll down, you will see, for example, here you can see a big influencers, even bored Elon Musk tweeting about this project. If you scroll down, you will see supported by Blockchain Capital, Lil Wayne, Paris Hilton, G Money, one of the biggest persons in this space. That's why, again, this is a brand new project, still early. If you are watching this video, you are still early because, again, only 15,000 active miners as of now, and you're basically earning tokens just by doing nothing, just using your computer power. And for all the questions, you can also read on their website for the everything is this safe. I'm also already doing this. That's why this is safe to download this application. And here you can see how minutes I am running. It is still synchronizing up. I think I have to basically set my computer speed to give more power. You can also invite people. In return, you will get gems. Right here you can see you will be earning more gems if you invite people and if you are mining as much as possible. So that's how you will earn gems. And basically the main reason why I wanted to share this project is because it is really easy. You don't have to be a crypto expert. I have been in crypto since 2017 and everything is really complicated, but this is really simple. You just go on their website, you download the application and you start running. It is basically like a game. And the best part is that, again, you don't have to do nothing. This is basically, here you can see, it is built for people, not bots. So even if your grandma or your family members have a PC, laptop, you can basically tell the people about this application, and they will be earning crypto Tari just by running this application. And here you can see again, Zeneca, one of the biggest people in this space, have been talking about this project, and here you can see it is incredibly simple, and it is actually simple. And again, if you see the people that raised the companies that raised money, these are legit companies, and rewards, 70% of rewards will go to miners. That's why, again, you are still early if you are watching this video. That's why don't miss this opportunity. And the last thing is that right now the crypto is quite basically stagnating because there are wars happening in Middle East. But opportunities like these ones are really rare in these bad markets. That's why, again, I just wanted to share this video. If you like it, just all the links are in the description. All the socials for Tari is basically in the description. You can do your own research. You can just try the application. Basically use your computer to, and here you can see actually it started, and I am basically earning XTM, the Tari token, every second. So I am basically running on the lowest settings right now. That's why the rewards are, as you can see here, 0.009. But again, I will be going to sleep in a few hours, and this will be just making these tokens, making money for me. And yeah, again, really easy. And this is basically it. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.